Hi, greetings of the day. Welcome to Videos Lectures. I'm Dr. S. Gopalkrishnan, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering Data Science, Madanapalle Institute of Technology. In this session, the power of data visualization. Flow of presentations. Introduction to data visualization, why use data visualization and types of data visualization, designing effective data visualization tools and technique, and last one is the real-time examples. So, I want to take you a journey into the facilitation world of data visualization. Imagine you are the detective and data is your clue. But instead of sifting through the mountain of papers, you have the magical tool that turns those clues into pictures, make it is easier to solve the mystery. So, introduction. First of all, nowadays, most of our members to talk about the big data, data analytic, data visualization. Why data visualization is more important than what is data visualization? The first thing, data visualization is the process or technique or a graphical representation of the data and informations. Okay. Second, what is the graphical element? What are the graphical element? The graphical element is chart, graphs, and maps. Those graphical element to represent the data into clear and understandable graphical manner. Then the final goal of data visualization is it easy to make and visualize the data into the graphical format and especially to accessible the data set and actionable to the customer or user. Now, you are imagining you are in a ice cream parlor. There are two types of ice cream. One with a long list of ingredients you are barely understand what ingredients to mixed with that particular ice cream, what percentage, everything. And another with the colorful pie chart showing the percentage of each flavor. Which one would you pick easier? Ultimately, the second one, because it easy to understand the what ingredients to mix with that ice cream. That's the power of data visualization. It is taking the information like those ice cream ingredients and turning into the pictures, chart, graphs, and even map. There are way easier to understand. Then the next important question: why pictures? Our brain like a pictures lovers. We can see the patterns and trends much faster in a picture than in a boring list. So even in a childhood into the old man are like the pictures. It easy to understand. That is the main reason nowadays to popular the data visualizations. So again, the next slide, the why use data visualization. The human brain process the visual much faster than text. Next, the data visualization can help to identify the trends and pattern that might be missed in the raw data. And third point, visuals can make complex information more engaging and easier to remember. Data is all around us, from the numbers like your social media post to the temperature in outside. But raw data is like it's the difficult format. It is hard to find what you are looking for. In visualization, is tied up that room, arranging the data nearly so we can see the pattern and insight more clearly. Next one, types of data visualizations. There are major five types of data visualization. The first one is bar chart. Is the basic and simple data visualization is bar chart. It is useful for comparing the categories of data. Okay. Now is the question is what is categorical data? Categorical means the types of data. For example, in the classroom, categorical data, boys students and girls students, two categories. Same thing. Number of students are passed, number of students are failed, categorical. Next one, department wise, computer science department and electrical department, that is the categorical data, right? So in this that categorical data, it is easy to represent in the bar chart and is the way simple way easy to understand. Now In bar chart, you decide to start creating the bar chart to compare the total sales revenue generated by the each product category. Categories such as electronics, clothing, home appliance, and vegetables are represented to the x-axis, while the total sales revenue is shown the y-axis. The length of the each bar represent the total revenue generated by the category. You create the bar chart, it easy attract to the customers. And second one, line chart. It's the ideal for showing the trends and change over that time. Okay. Then what is the difference? Bar chart and line chart. It bars are only for represent the category cover two different types of data. But line chart it represent the time period for particular product. For example, you create a line chart where x-axis represent the month of the year and the y-axis represent the total monthly sales revenue for electronics. Each point of the line represent the revenue for the specific month, and you connect those points to visualize the trend over the time. So if you want to understand the composition of sales within the electronic category in terms of different products. Next one, pie chart. The best suited for the displaying proportion of the whole. Okay. The best and simple example is in a class, how many students are passed and how many students are failed. It is easy to represent in the pie chart. Even another examples also in how many students are day scholar and how many students are hostler. It displaying the data or preparation of the complete whole data set. So to create the pie chart where each slice represent the product type. Example in electronic category, example smartphone, laptop, tablet and accessories. And the size of the each slice correspondent to the percentage of total sales revenue it contributes. So the pie chart provide a visual breakdown of sales distribution within the categories. The next one is scatter plot. It's effective for relieving the relationship between two variables. And last one is heat map. So great for visualizing the data with multiple dimensions, especially in the chart used for the geographical area and also temperature related data visualizations. Designing effective data visualization. There are some key points to create the effective data visualization. The first one is keep it simple. Especially most of our customers need it for abstract data and clear representation of the percentage of data. So in especially data visualization or data programmer to create the visualization with abstract data and what are the necessary column you can include in the presentation that can be easy for data visualization. Next one, use clear and conscious labels and titles. You can provide minimum x coordinate and y coordinate title of the chart. This is the minimum requirement, and if needed means you can clarify the points values. The next third point, choose appropriate colors and font that are easy to read. So whenever you can create the temperature related data visualization or geographical related data visualization means, for example, in the red color it's absolutely it can mention the heat, and green color it can related to the uh, especially water related things. So based on the concept you can choose the colors and font. And next point, ensure data accuracy and consistency in the formatting. So you can completely design the bar chart or pie chart or scatter plot. What are the data are needed and accurate data you can fill into the tabular column. Then lot of tools are available in the market. The tools will make the best visualizations. And last one, focus on telling the clear story with your data. most of our members does not understand the data, but it's something you can create the visualization means the final result is not effective, even not understand the customers, not familiarize. So before that you can create the storyboard. First you can understand the clear data set, then what expect from the audience, then only you can create the visualization. That visualization will be more popular. Functions of data visualization. There are three major functions. First, record or collecting. Second, analysis. Third one is communicate. The first one is record or collecting the data. So this is the main or initial process for the data visualization. So first, collect the data from the data set or online resources. Nowadays, most of all data is generated in the sensors, IoT, Internet of Things. So first process, you collect the data from the data set or online or social media. The second thing, analysis. Analysis is the important part of the data visualization. What is analysis? Just to analyze the data. What is the insight about the data set? To find the insight about the data set. So to support the reasoning about the information. Nowadays, lot of algorithm, machine learning algorithm and deep learning algorithm available. Whatever you want, you can find that information. You can use machine learning algorithm or deep learning algorithm using Python concept. So second part. Third part is communications or delivering the information to the audience. That means convey the information to the others. So this is the three important functions of data visualization: record, analysis, and communication. Data visualization tools. Tools which help you visualize all your data in few minutes. The, in the current market, there are 5 different tools available in the data visualization. First one, Tableau. Second, Power BI. Third, Data Wrapper. Fourth one, D3.js. And last one, Plotty. The first one is Tableau. Tableau is the open source software. Nowadays, also it's the price, some getting for some amount from the industry and free for students, some limited editions. Next one, Power BI, also it's completely open softwares. Especially Power BI is used for the business intelligence. Tableau used for the basic data visualization on corporate related companies. And third one is data wrapper. Data wrapper is the basic tools, especially mathematical and statistic related operation. You can use data wrapper. D3.js. D3.js JavaScript is the application. It's mainly used for the data visualization, chimp, chart, and plot related. And Plotty is the one of the tool, is the basic tool, not for the up to level in corporate. The basic tool you can create the visualization. In out of 5, which is the best? According to the business, the Power BI is the best tool for the business intelligence, business analysis. It is a fully provide the lot of facilities, library function, and inbuilt in uh, framework. Everything is provided by Microsoft. Then Tableau is the basic and education oriented application tools. It's mainly for chart. It is the one of the biggest advantages Tableau to create the dashboard and also to create the storyboard. And Power BI is one of the drawback is it's not creating for the storyboard in Power BI, but it's compared to dashboard, it more than efficient the Tableau. So in most of our customers nowadays using for Tableau in basic application. Corporate companies are using Power BI. This is the basic tools for data visualization. Next one, Python for data visualization. Python. It is the most powerful popular language. especially artificial intelligence and data science. Python, some of the libraries can use for data visualization. The top Python visualization libraries are Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Platy. So, in 90% of Python data visualization programs using for Matplotlib file. Next, Seaborn file. What is the difference between Matplotlib and Seaborn? 90% of coverage completely Matplotlib, some little bit efficient and attractive graphical files are included in the Seaborn. So, exceptional case you can use the Seaborn library files. Remaining 90 percentage you can use Matplotlib file. I will explain the one by one. The first thing is matplotlib file. So especially matplotlib file is the graphical Python library file. It can use to create the graphical output. Graphical output means it display the plot, chart and graph. It is a very simple 2 or 3 lines. It can show the graphical output. And Seaborn also a little bit advanced concept compared to matplotlib. So I will explain the one by one. First, how to create the Python in data visualization model and how to execute and what are the tools available in the market, and next level of programming concept. I will explain. This is the Google Colab. What is the purpose of Google Colab? It is the online Python environmental platform. First, it is not necessary to install the library files. In Google Corporation to support all the library files and collaborate with lot of notebooks and softwares. The first thing is the freeware. Google Colab is the complete freeware. You can type and execute the Python programs. And second thing, it easy to integrate the multiple softwares. And third thing is supporting online editing. In runtime editing the program and execute the program. If something error is occur means you can modify the program codes. Now this is the actual window for Google Colab. The first you can create. First I will explain the complete window. This is the menu bar, file, edit, view, insert, runtime, tools and helps. Complete menu bar. So in file menu, you can open and create, edit and modify or delete. Edit, same thing, cut, copy, paste, view and insert, runtime. This is the one of the important menu in the Colab. Run all, run before, run the focused cell. I will explain the one by one. Next, left side. This is the table of content. How many cells are available in the Colab? Next one, search the particular word in the worksheet. Next, variables. What are the variables used in the cells? Everything. This is the security purpose. This is the complete folder view. Next, the working part. Completely score snap. This is the help menu. You can search some of the content in the online. Right? So first thing, you can go to the file menu, create new notebook. It takes time. Takes time. Please wait. Yes, this is the new notebook. Actually, this is the working area. In that working area, I will explain the from basics Python, then data visualization Python. The first statement, you can use the output statement print MITS DS data science. Then once complete the statement, after that you can run the statement. Execution is going on. The circle is, then the output statement is MITS dx. Next, the same statement, you can edit the code. For example, arithmetic operation 5 plus 6, 11. Suppose you can add some numbers, use variables, some variables. Then a equal to 10, b equal to 20, c equal to a plus b. Then final value is print c. Then execute the program. The output answer is 30. So this is the best and basic Python tool for running in online. So next one, you can change the name in the file. Simple Python. One of the major advantage in Google Colab, whatever you can type by default, you can save into the your Google Drive. So whatever in Python file, commands, supporting library files, everything by default stored into the your Google Drive. So come to the data visualization part. This is the basic and simple program for data visualization using Matplotlib. In this program, I will create the line chart, the basic line chart. So first statement is import matplotlib.pyplot as plot. This is the import the package. For what? To execute the library functions. So matplotlib is the library file name, dot pyplot is the sub package, as plot plt. Plt is the object. It represents the matplotlib.py plot. So come to the next line, x equal to some numbers, single dimensions, 10, 20, 30 and 40. Then second variable y equal to 20, 25, 35 and 55. So the two statement is declaration and also initialization to the values. Next one, this is the important line in data visualization, plot. If you don't know, you can select that particular line, the help will be displayed. So plot dot plt.plot. Plot is the member function of the matplotlib library file. So first thing, parameters. The first parameter is x, second parameter is y, and what is the next parameter is color equal to green. So what color will be displayed in the line? Second thing, line width equal to 3 and marker equal to 0 and marker size is 15, line style is dot dot dot. If you change any parameter, automatically the output will be changed. Next one, the basic statement, plt dot title is the line chart. Next, plt dot y label to give the label name in y coordinate. Next one, plt dot x label is x axis to the name of the x axis. Then final thing, plt dot show method, it used to display the current output of the Python libraries. So I will explain and execute the programs. The output will be displayed, right? From starting onwards, the first point to up to end. The title of the plot is line chart. So the output is displayed. Next, plot x label, x axis and y axis. Then it represents the 4 points, 10, 20, 30 and 40. 20, 25, 35 and 55. So I can change the colors. Again, I will execute the program. The color will be displayed. Same thing, line width. I reduce the line width, and marker size I reduce 15 to 10. Again, the same program I will execute. Automatically the line width reduced and marker size also reduced. So you can understand the basic data visualization program. First, matplotlib is the most priority in the data visualization. Second thing, plot is the important function for assigning the values to the variable. What are the variable? This is the visualization variable: x coordinate, y coordinate, colors, width, and marker size and style for particular line. Next, three lines just show the titles of the labels. And last one, show method, it is used for display the properties along with the properties in the chart. This is the basic program for data visualizations. I will explain again second program, the same concept but different things. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plot. Second thing, from matplotlib.figure, import figure. Sir, what is the difference? Sir, first two lines. The difference is the first line, import matplotlib as pyplot using plot object. Second thing, figure. So first one is the sub package, second one is the another sub package. It used for the different purpose, right? I will explain later. Second thing, initialization part, x equal to some values, y equal to some values. Next, figure, fig is the temporary variable. It is used for assign the properties of the figure. So what are the properties? Figure size 5 comma 4, x coordinate and y coordinate. Figure is the constructor, it assign the values. Second thing, ax equal to fig dot add axis of 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1, x1 y1, x2 y2. Next, ax1 ax dot plot of x comma y, the values, coordinate values 10 and 20. Then ax2 plot y comma x, the difference value y comma x. Next, set title linear graph. So what is the objectives? To display the two lines. Next, x-axis, y-axis. Then final line is ax legend labels equal to line 1 comma line 2. Just legend name. What is the legend? A description of the output or description of the line. The final line is plot dot show. Show method, already I explained, it is used to display the final output. So the final output is, again I will run the program. This is the final output: x-axis, y-axis, linear graphs. So two different line will display on the screen. So I will change the data, automatically it will be affect in the data screen. So in this two program I explained predefined data, something one dimensional, I give the one dimensional data, but this is the primary classes for the data visualization. The next session I will explain how to connect the data set and how to find the insight of the data and how to draw the data visualization for the particular data set. So uh, then the next session again, uh, to connect the data set in real time, to collect the data from the sensors and to create the visualization using Tableau or Power BI. So this is the basic introduction of data visualization class. Uh, reference, reference, reference. I followed the books, a step-by-step guide for data visualization using Tableau and fundamentals of data visualization. Some websites also. Especially, I mostly prefer the Power BI help website. So it is very useful for data visualization programmers and Python programmers. If any queries or any doubts and comments, you can fill it the forms. And final things, thank you for given the opportunity, MITS management and data science department. Thank you.